Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at a compact networking solution designed especially for satellite internet users, the Mini High Speed Wi-Fi 6 dual-band router for Starlink Gen 2, Gen 3, Mini Kit, and similar setups. This mini router uses Wi-Fi 6 technology, delivering faster speeds, better efficiency, and improved performance when multiple devices are connected at the same time. With dual-band connectivity, you get a stable 2.4 GHz band for wider coverage and a faster 5 GHz band for streaming, gaming, and heavy internet use. One of its key advantages is full compatibility with Starlink Gen 2, Gen 3, and Mini systems, allowing it to integrate seamlessly with the satellite internet network and work alongside the Starlink app for setup and management. Performance is another highlight. Many models in this category offer dual-band speeds up to around 1,800 megabits per second and support advanced technologies like MU-MIMO and OFDMA, helping distribute bandwidth efficiently across many connected devices. Despite the strong performance, the router remains compact and travel-friendly, making it perfect for RV setups, remote work locations, boats, or mobile offices where Starlink is commonly used. Another useful feature is the ability to support dozens of connected devices at once, making it suitable for families, smart homes, or small remote offices that rely on satellite internet. Overall, this Mini Wi-Fi 6 dual-band router is a great upgrade for anyone using Starlink who wants stronger wireless coverage, faster speeds, and a compact router that works perfectly in mobile or remote environments. If you want to grab it for the best price, make sure to click the link below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.